Power BI offers the customers the ability to take that one snapshot at any point in time and see how their business is doing.
For my customers, the task guide should make it a lot simpler for them to do the first run through of tasks and to learn the system.
The insight that you get from analytics is going to be right there inside the user interface.
In addition, it should help us find and attract new talent because Visual Studio is a lot more marketable.
From the development perspective, all the new technologies that are under the hood, such as OData, JSON and REST, it means our developers can instantly sort of hook onto the underlying technology and then run with it.
Delivering amazing customer experiences begins with business insights. To help you make the right decisions and anticipate what your customers want. Businesses that use Microsoft Dynamics AX are driving innovation and decreasing time to market. The future isn't waiting. Collaborate and share to accelerate business decisions. Move from prototype to product faster. Offer your customers choices and deliver new products that customers want. Keep your competitive edge and expand your global reach. With Microsoft Dynamics AX, you can transform business processes across your organization. Seamlessly manage approvals. Increase productivity and streamline operations, while consistently delivering the right product to the right place at the right time. Customers will always be looking for new solutions to old problems. Stay ahead of changing lifestyles. Turn shoppers into buyers through great experiences. With product recommendations, wish lists, social media campaigns, and real-time visibility into product availability. Whether at home, in the store, or on the go, know your customers well. Remember their preferences, answer their questions, and help them make the right decisions by recommending products that meet their unique needs. Increase customer loyalty and your bottom line while continuing to deliver amazing customer experiences. Powered by Microsoft Dynamics AX.
Dynamics AX 2012 R3 lets your customers do more with their order, including a split ship capability, streamlined and diversified purchase options, and a clienteling app for in-store pickup. Customers can now ship different parts of their order to different locations. Or they can specify in-store pickup and use a Bing map to help find the right store. And it's easy to use any combination of payment types, including gift cards, loyalty cards, or discount codes. The new clienteling app makes in-store pickup easier for the customer and store employees. The app helps connect customers to their order as soon as they walk in the building. That means your employees provide better customer service in less time, getting purchases more easily to your customers, part of the new e-commerce features of Dynamics AX 2012 R3. On the road, the Dynamics AX mobile application lets travelers record expenses and time into the system with a Windows phone, enter receipts on the go, file the merchant name, comments, and transaction amount, use the phone camera to take a picture of the receipt. The entire transaction is now captured and documented in Dynamics AX, reducing lost or missing expenses. Recording timesheet entries on a Windows phone is just as simple. Create or edit a time entry by tapping a date on the phone. Use the Windows selector to enter hours and other information. Or go back and edit earlier entries.
Hi, I'm Dan Schuster, Senior Product Marketing Manager for Microsoft Dynamics. Today we're going to talk about a scenario where we're using the new feature in Microsoft Dynamics AX R3, demand forecasting. We're going to forecast beer sales specifically. First thing we're looking at is actually the forecast from the previous year. And essentially we see that our alcohol-free, red, not so good. IPA is actually in the green, so that's good. Our forecast last year was really good, and the pale ale could be better. One of the reasons and one of the factors we know that causes our forecast to be off with beer is the weather. So we can now take big data, look at previous year's actual weather, and we overlay the accuracy of Microsoft Dynamics AX forecast, and we can see where there's problems here, right? What you're seeing is actually when it gets warmer in the Silicon Valley area, people will actually travel to the beaches to get away from the heat. Now, they're responsible drivers driving 1 or 2 hours, and so purple here is the non-alcoholic beer. So that's why our non-alcoholic beer forecasts were off last year. So now that we have that information, we now have the demand forecasting capability, so we can actually take previous year, 2 years worth of data, use algorithms to forecast the next 2 weeks, next month, whatever it is. In this case, we did it 2 weeks because we also wanted to include the weather forecast, and we can actually come up with kind of a recommended adjustment to what Dynamics AX comes out with. And so we hope you enjoy that functionality under Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 R3.
That's right, the whole world's gone mobile. Pepijn, what are we doing in mobile, and why will all of our lovely people watching today want to hear about it?
So we help people on the go to work from these devices and organizations to develop, distribute and use mobile applications on these devices.
Fantastic. Let's go ahead and dive in. So what we've got here in the on-the-go section in the top left, this rather innocuous little company portal tile, which is actually something that's really cool, and it's a private marketplace for this company. Let's go ahead and have a look at this private marketplace. Tell me about that.
So this is Windows Intune, a way for companies to publish their custom-built apps. And you can see this company has built 3 apps. So let's install Transportation Management.
Wow, that easy to install a business application?
So you can see it's actually installing it right now. We are using Windows Intune for this as a private marketplace. So you can see that the app installed.
Driver Companion there on the left.
So this is a concept app, a reference app as we call it, that we developed just to showcase how quick it is to develop apps against Microsoft Dynamics AX.
But the point being is that any company can develop their own apps within this framework to create for their specific needs.
Yes, and more importantly, the modern app framework, as we call it, has a few components. The first component is actually getting the information in and out of Dynamics AX through the Web Services Framework and Azure. We use the Service Bus for that. And what you can see here in this Driver Companion app is that it actually pulled routes from the new transportation management modules from AX into this Drivers app. So you can see 4 delivery addresses, and they are visualized here in this standard component of Bing.
Excellent.
So we go to the first drop-off. Again, this developer used a standard component, Bing Maps, to visualize the first drop-off address. And what the driver can do is actually zoom in to the location itself and can actually inspect the physical environment of the first delivery address right from the app. So the other way we use standard Bing components is the route optimizer. And you can see it took the first 2 drop-off addresses and planned the route for this driver. Let's take another look at how we can use this device when we deliver the goods to the customer. The customer can actually sign for receipt with this standard signature component and can capture the happy customer on the camera if they want to. And now we can capture this one and submit that back into the business application.
So we can't accept the delivery without a signature, and in the future maybe without a photo as well.
Job well done.
Okay, so we're back at the start screen here, Pepijn, and I'm seeing these icons on the go, the approvals, timesheet, expenses apps. These are all available through the Windows Store with Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 R3. And we've also got this one at the bottom, this machine operator one. That's in the store as well?
Yeah, that one is new. And what you see here is that the shop floor worker has an overview of all the jobs that they need to work on, right from their device. The devices are touch enabled, so we can see these jobs. We can view the details of these jobs. We can now start this job, and then we can report progress on each of these jobs.
Wow, so what we're seeing here is we're seeing the power of ERP surfaced up in a really consumer-friendly device. I love how we've been working so hard to democratize the power of technology for all the roles in an organization, including that critical role on the shop floor itself.
And it's so easy to use. User adoption should not be an issue anymore.
Excellent. Thanks. Back to you, Christian.
Having a single view of the customer is powerful, and that's why we're so excited to get our hands on it.
We want innovation. We want to constantly keep pushing that envelope.
To do more with less.
Creating a one-on-one relationship with a customer.
Enabling the integration of data across multiple systems and platforms to be easier.
The demand that we see with our customers is incredibly high. They can't wait to get their hands on it.
Nothing else out there came close to what Microsoft can offer.
You may have heard about the new Office, with services available in the cloud. Now, you can add a finance management solution to that experience, allowing you to take your business virtually anywhere. Let's take a quick tour to see how this works. Imagine you come to the office in the morning. You open up your device and your Office 365. Here's your email, your inbox, your contacts, all with a familiar look and feel. In Office 365, you also have SharePoint, SharePoint Online. Here you can have a team site, which the whole team has access to and can use to collaborate with each other every day. You can also access critical numbers you want to follow on a day-to-day basis and a range of reports with the ability to drill down into key numbers, all in real time. All data and reports come directly from Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Just one click away is your complete Microsoft Dynamics NAV tailored to you. No additional password needed. We unite both worlds with one interface. From your Office 365, you have a direct link into Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Microsoft Dynamics NAV looks and feels just like the rest of Office 365, making learning and using the financial application easy. We bring both worlds together into one united experience. You log into your day and have integrated access to all the information, business processes, and tools that you need to do your job. So every day, users of Microsoft Dynamics NAV can collaborate more effectively with the relevant people and together get more out of their information.
Introducing Microsoft Exchange Server 2016. Inspired, proven, and forged in the cloud. With better collaboration, a smarter inbox, mobile productivity, simplified architecture, and expanded security and compliance. The innovations in Exchange 2016 come from the cloud and are now available in your on-premises environment. Better file handling simplifies document sharing and eliminates version control headaches. A more intelligent, more personalized inbox to help you stay focused. Dynamic Outlook experiences across devices, so you can get more done on the go. Architecture improvements that simplify your messaging environment and make it more robust. built-in security, legal, and regulatory-related capabilities to protect sensitive data. Microsoft Exchange Server 2016, forged and refined in the cloud, enables your organization to accomplish more today and prepares it for tomorrow.
So your work is now connected in completely new ways. You can start your project on the iPhone, continue on an iPad, and finish it up in your favorite desktop application. For example, you can capture vectors from the real world using Adobe Shape, and then open them in Illustrator and create a poster. So no matter who you are, you'll have everything you need to create amazing things.
Manufacturers must be able to manage change effectively to compete in today's manufacturing market. Autodesk Vault provides an integrated and scalable data management solution day one. Autodesk Vault grows to meet your needs without having to start over with costly implementation. Users can securely check in and check out information directly inside of the Inventor interface. Once a file has been checked out, users can then make changes to the geometry and then save that information back to the Vault, ensuring that the most current design is available for the rest of the team. Users can then use the Vault Explorer to look at previews of their designs, understand the history, or revert back to a previous design, and also understand where these files were used, ensuring the latest data is always leveraged across your teams, locations, and countries without costly implementations, enabling you to deliver better products, reduce development costs, and get to market faster.